Hello, how are you? Today we shall learn about paragraph and we shall do some exercise of our previous learnings. So here is the exercise. We shall try this after learning about paragraphs. So let's discuss about paragraphs. Okay, so we already discussed about paragraph before many times. Here is a recap of the old learnings. I shall create a new file, so I'll name it as paragraph2.html. So for paragraph we use the p tag. We can create p tag like this, or today I shall show you another shortcut method. So delete, type p, and you see there is a drop down list, and click on the first one using your mouse, or type p, push the button tab, so you have the paragraph. So and you type anything here, it will be printed as paragraph on the output. So if we visit our file explorer and double click, here is the output, and if we inspect it, here is the paragraph. Now let's talk about the exercise. You should pause your video and try to recreate this. Here all necessary tags we learned before. So to make it easy, I'll split the view in two parts. I'll remove this, save, and you see the first one. I'll copy this. This is actually heading 1. So is 1 and then tab, paste it. So here I shall show you another way. I think this is the standard way. Instead of pasting here, click enter. Now paste it. Why this is more helpful? Because you can see the starting tag and ending tag on the first section of your line. Sorry, we forgot that we have to create the template. So I'll cut it, and first of all, exclamation mark, paste it within the body, and we need the title. So what will be the title? I'll just unpin the tab. So methods to learn easily. This is our title, and then what is the first method? Use visual aids. Copy this, and now here I'll make a little bit more space here. So here I shall use this as heading 2. So heading 2, enter, paste. Okay, use visual aid. Now copy the paragraph, copy. Now here, enter, paste. So what is this about? Many people find it easier to remember information when it's presented in a visual format. Let's create our second section. So this is heading 2. I will type is 2, then tab, enter, Ctrl V, and then create another paragraph, tab, enter. I'll copy this. Let's see what it says. Instead of simply reading over your notes or textbooks, actively try to recall the information. So let's do the third one. Use mnemonic devices. So we will need to copy this as heading 2, is to tab, Ctrl V, save. Copy the paragraph. Here we need to put starting and ending tag at the start. Now P, tab, enter, paste. So this point, the last point, some people do like this. If they want to remember list of items in their memory, they will play like this. In their living room, they will put the different items of the list in different places, and thus they will memorize the whole list. So that way can be very useful for memorizing lists, a long list. Anyway, we have completed our exercise. Let's see output. Save. So I'll check the file explorer. This is paragraph 2, double click. And finally, to check the source, view the source. So this is what we have done. Hopefully this exercise was helpful to you. Thank you.